Hello everybody, this is Parrish. Today is Wednesday, November 7, 2012, time 2:07 p.m. This video is on the bizarre weather that's outside of my home. I'm located in Bedford-Stuyvesant section of Brooklyn, New York, and believe it or not, but it's actually snowing outside and raining as well. Simultaneously, it's raining and it's snowing. Now, I don't think this weather can get any bizarrer than this. Check this out. We have snow. We have rain. And it's cold out here. Feels like right now, 39 degrees, maybe less. Oh my God, the air is quite chill out here. Look at this. I remember somewhere in 2010, I experienced in one night I experienced hail, rain, thunder, and snow. I think it was in 2010. This weather does not know what to do with itself. Look at this. It's snowing. This is the second time in my life that I saw snow in November. Once again, it's snowing out here and it's raining out here. In addition, it's very cold. This is one example that the Son of God is coming, because the Bible speaks that there will be signs in the heavens, fearful sightings, and men's heart failing for things that's coming upon the earth. This is a weird weather that I'm experiencing right now. Oh my God. Yesterday I had a terrible cold, and early this morning I just recovered from it. Oh my God, look at this. Snow in November and rain at the same time. Yeah, I'm a true believer that Planet X is coming in, or this gigantic comet known as 2012 S1 ISON, the comet that I named before astronomers discovered it and named it, and they named it Comet 2012. Today I had plans to step out, but I'm not going to step out in no rain and snow and cold. I'm just going to chill in my home, crawl back in the bed, take a long deep nap, and I'll wake up somewhere like around maybe 9 or 10 p.m. But before I go back to sleep, take a nap, I will go to the store to buy me a slice of pizza and a bottle of, I guess, orange juice or Coca-Cola. Okay, YouTubers, thank you for watching this video. And JoJo, my friend, take care.